everyone, I'm Jake Roberts with the Gerard team in Royal LePage. This beautiful 2,000 square foot freehold townhome is only 2 years new, features 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and is only a short walk from Tiffany Hills Elementary in the heart of Meadowlands, Ancaster. Welcome to 44 Beasley Grove. This exquisite home features over $100,000 in upgrade, including custom entry door, 9-foot ceilings on the main floor, engineered hardwoods and marble tile throughout. The custom kitchen offers upgraded countertops, backsplash, and dark stainless appliances. This carpet-free home features an oak staircase, second floor laundry, 100 square foot walk-in closet, and 5-piece primary bathroom with water closet, soaker tub, and walk-in shower. Once again, I'm Jake Roberts with Royal LePage. If you have any questions or would like to book a private tour, please give me a call. Thank you.